This is elevator B at IHS Latrobe Hospital in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. Look how high that goes. There must have been something there that covered up it goes all the way there. That's a funny call button. This was originally a 1980 Otis, but sadly it was modernized by Otis probably 10 years ago, 15 years ago. This one wasn't it recent. 4 looks like it's locked, so I'm up to 3. Yeah, 4 is locked. Looks like it's like some sort of high security unit. Here at 3. Station opens right into it. It's a basic figure grain cab Otis from 70s, 80s. I bet you this had the Halo Lexan fixtures. I don't know if it was the newer or the older type. I'm gonna guess maybe the older type, but I'm not sure. Here back at ground. That's gonna be it.